Good evening, everybody. Just Chris reaching out from the Bitcoin Citadel here. Check out my new punching bag I like to interact with in the mornings. It's got Bitcoin Cash, XRP, and Ethereum on it. When I wake up and I kick the shit out of that Ethereum symbol, it really gets my day started. I really enjoy it. But anyway, without further ado, just pop this open and show you how I got this running. So you want to jump on to TradingView, click this Start Free Trial, tradingview.com, Start Free Trial button, and you can choose either one of these two. I think this one is just fine. It's free for 30 days and then only $15 after. And then you can use the indicators and charts. Then you want to select your chart, and it'll have a whole bunch of different things you can choose from here. But choose from crypto, go to Bitcoin. I use Coinbase. There's Bitstamp and Bitfinex and Binance and everything else in here, but I choose Coinbase. They have high liquidity and it seems to be real accurate, and the connection's always on. So it's really good tracker. Then I choose 4 hour. So I've got 4 hour. You can choose, of course, a day or 3 hour, 2 hour, 45 minutes, all these different selections. I find 4 hours real accurate. If you zoom out to a day for these symbols, then you'd be more like more of a long-term play and probably even more accurate. But the 4 hour seems to work really well and has a great history for calling the ups and downs and the different momentum either way. So it's called the Optimized Trend Tracker. And all you do is, after you've set up your chart, you just click indicators and see mine's active here, OTT, on close. So then you just type OTT in the search and you find this Optimized Trend Tracker by Kivance Ozbilgic with 9,300 uses. That's the one I'm using. And then it'll be activated here, and you can see this. Depending on which chart you're on, it'll show you where your buy and sell signals were. Then I use an alert. So you can create alerts up here in the right-hand corner. I'll show you where I got mine set as they alert me once per bar close. So at the end of a 4 hour period, if that trend is showing that it's going to possibly go down, it'll bark at me. It'll notify me here on a pop-up, email, and on the app I have on the phone, and you can give it a label. Mine's sell now. I also have the same thing running for buy. It's really that simple. Another one I use is volume profile. There's about 4,500 loads for that. It's pretty simple. So you can show this. Then you can see sort of like what may happen here. So if this doesn't hold right here, which it doesn't look like it is, and this is probably one of the reasons that it barked this sell earlier, but among a whole bunch of different signals. But if it falls here, it'll probably go through to here. And then if that might linger around there for a little bit, it might sink right down to here. Now this is if Bitcoin bounces again before it heads up. I think it's going up, but I like to capitalize on these sells and jump out and then jump back in, because I hate losing money in Bitcoin. It's no fun. So, but it's a lot more fun to capture these small gains over and over and over and then compound them. So it's been a lot of fun. I just want to share how I do that. It's that simple. I'm using a cheap version of TradingView, and the indicator is called Optimized Trend Tracker, and I have it set for Bitcoin 4 hour Coinbase along with some alerts. It's that simple. Cheers.